Alright, what's up there, YouTubers? It's your girl ShaySkyler, and I'm back with another video. What's up if you're new to my channel, and what's up if you're a returning subby? So today I'm going to be reviewing. It is Black History Month, and I wanted to make sure that I got in a review with a black owned company. This company is called NOIR Natural Products, and this is how it looks, and I'm just really excited about trying this. So I'm going to tell you all of the things that I got inside. So I'm going to read this to you, not all of it, but I'm just going to let you know what comes inside. So you're going to get, well, I have the tea tree strengthening herbal shampoo, the apple cider vinegar herbal rinse. We have the slippery elm herbal conditioner, the jasmine flower herbal conditioner spray, the flaxseed and honey curling gel. Okay, and they do have a refill program, so you can buy the products, you can keep the empty bottles, you can send it back to them, and then they will refill it. So I do like that, and you get 15% off. Okay, so this is made with love from organic herbs, seed, and oils, and scented with natural plant materials, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and get into this. I just literally pulled off my wig. I just got back from the airport from my short trip to the ATL. So I'm just going to be going through this whole thing with you, shampooing and all that good stuff. So the first thing I'm going to use is the shampoo, and I'm just going to give you just a little bit of information about the shampoo. This is a natural sulfate-free strengthening shampoo. It cleanses the hair and clears the scalp of buildup and impurities. Its tea tree and witch hazel are added for the natural ability to promote hair growth and prevent hair loss, guys. So we're going to go ahead and get into this first. Alright guys, so you can see my curls are popping. So the next thing I'm going to be using is the apple cider vinegar rinse, and this is a rinse that you're going to leave in for about 15 minutes. It helps with dry scalp, it relieves itchy scalp, it restores the hair's pH balance. So you're going to leave this in for about 15 minutes, and then you're going to go ahead and rinse out. Okay, alright guys, so I'm back. So the next stop in this situation is going to be the slippery elm herbal conditioner. This deep conditioning treatment penetrates the hair shaft to hydrate and condition hair, leaving it soft and manageable. And all you're going to do is apply a generous amount to clean damp hair and slowly work through the hair while detangling, and rinse with warm water. And this is how it looks, and this is the consistency. So it's not like that thick, like, I don't know how to describe it, like your usual conditioner, but it has slip, so I guess that's why they added slippery. So I'm going to be using my my easy detangle brush to detangle. Okay, and I'm just going to take some conditioner. Alright guys, so last step in this whole ordeal, we have two more things to use. We have our flower herbal conditioning spray. So this is just like a leave-in conditioner, and it has a spritz bottle. So you're going to evenly distribute this onto your hair, and it smells so good. Try to put a good amount. Alright guys, and just add that to my hair. And the last step is the flaxseed and honey curling gel, and you can use this. This is perfect for your wash and go. It retains your frizz. It's great for styling hair and defining natural curls. Ooh, it's straight A's for me for Skyler. Commercial break. But yeah, so all I'm gonna do is just distribute this into my head. I am going for a natural look, so I'm just going to put my hair in sections, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply this flaxseed and honey curling gel. Consistency. Okay, and I'm just going to take it and apply it to my hair. And I want y'all to, ooh, curls come through, come through, come. Alright guys, so this is the curls before I blow dry. So pretty. Then I'll show you how it looks blow dried.